Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Thinborne Aramid fiber case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let me push the S24 Ultra over to the side for now, and let's take a look at the presentation first, because right off the bat you can see that we get that nice Aramid fiber design all the way around the case itself. So very nice presentation right off the back, and it kind of opens up like a little treasure box like this. Look at that, and we are greeted with a little paper just giving us information about, you know, the Aramid fiber and all that good stuff. Throw that to the side, and then we get a little personal note from the owner himself. I'll go ahead and read that on my own time. Let me throw that to the side, and then we are greeted with the case itself. Look at this, absolutely beautiful, super thin case. I'm going to set that to the side, and then we also get tempered glass screen protectors along with wipes to clean your display in order to put these on. We get 2 of these, so that is great. And then we also get 2 of the cleaners as well. So a nice little add-on when it comes to purchasing this case right here, because obviously, you know, with a super thin case like this, you're not going to get the most protection out of it, and that's not what it's made for. It's not, you know, made to give your device that maximum rugged protection for maximum falls or anything like that. This is going to be something that's more for style and to, you know, protect your device from maybe light falls and scratches. But let's go ahead and throw it on the Galaxy S24 Ultra here, and let's see how it fits. Let's see how it looks. Snaps on pretty easy, just like that. Let's take a close-up at this. Look at that, looking really good. Got a little bit Thinborne branding there at the bottom, but that is it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major, but look at that. Looks really nice here on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And what I really like here is that it's actually giving those cameras some protection as well. As you can see there, we get a little bit of lift. So if I do, you know, decide to set my phone down on a flat surface like this, maybe slide it around or accidentally drop it like that, it's giving it just enough lift in the back to where it should protect those camera lenses. And it's really nice. And I like that it gives it full coverage around each lens, and it's not just one big opening like that, you know, looking like some sort of P or whatever. So we get that full coverage in the back. It's really soft to the touch, and you can feel a little bit of that Aramid fiber texture in the back. So it feels really nice. Going up to the top of the case, we get those precise cutouts for the microphones. Again, a soft touch. Down at the bottom, we do get precise cutouts for the S Pen, which is easily accessible. Get a nice cutout for the speaker and the charging port and microphone. Although it looks like the microphone is a little bit hidden. I'll do a little video test and I'll show it right now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, testing. Do I sound okay? All right, so what do you guys think? That's just a quick little video test to see if this is going to interfere with the microphone or if we're still gonna be able to get some good sound out of it. And going back and listening to it, it doesn't seem like it's going to affect it at all too much. So we're still gonna get good sound out of the microphones in this device right here. And going over to the sides, as you can see, we get minimum coverage on the sides, just enough to keep it from scratching on both sides. We do have the volume rockers and power buttons exposed, so it's gonna make it easier to find, easier to use, and it's also not going to add any extra bulk here on the side to have to, you know, go over those buttons. Like I said, this case is not made for that maximum protection. But when we get to the front display, it looks like we do get a little bit of lift here on the bottom. Let me see if I can get it to focus there. Get just a little bit of lift there on the bottom and just a little bit of lift there on the top. Keep in mind, I am using a tempered glass screen protector, which is making it look like the display is popping up more than it actually is. So if that screen protector wasn't there, the lift would look a little bit deeper than what it is, but we're still getting just enough to where if I set my phone down on a flat surface like this, I can slide it around as much as I want, maybe even, you know, give it a little light fall, and it should, you know, lift it up just enough to where that display does not hit any flat surface. Now, as far as the fit goes, if it's, you know, on there nice and secure, let's see, pushing up here at the left, really got to put some pressure there to get it off. Let's see, what if we do both? Okay, if we do both, it's a little bit hard actually to get off. Okay, so the right side comes off a little bit easier than the left side, so we might want to push off there. Let's see, if we go down to the bottom is a little bit more tough to get off. Yeah, so it's definitely on here nice and secure. I would say the easiest place to push off is over here at the right, and then kind of, I guess, push out, you know, where the cameras are right there, and then maybe push it off here at the left, and that'll get it off your device. See, I'm having a hard time actually. It's got a nice secure fit. There we go. So you're gonna want to start off up here at the left. snaps on nice and secure. So as you can see, if you do happen to accidentally drop this case, or drop your phone with the case on, it should not fall off of your device. It does feel like it has a nice secure fit on this on your device right here. And yes, this does support MagSafe charging. So I actually have a little charger right here. It's not plugged in, but as you can see, it does provide the magnets in the back for that MagSafe. So that is a nice touch right there as well. And yes, it does support wireless charging. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and plug this in real quick. All right, so I got it plugged in. As you can see, the wireless charging does work on here, as well as the MagSafe. I can put it on the regular wireless charger here in the back. It's still going to work. So no problems there at all. But overall, definitely a super nice case, looking really, really good. It has a really sexy look to it as well. And it feels really good in the hand. Like I said, very minimal, not going to add any bulk to your device. And I would say this is more for someone who doesn't like using a case on your phone. Maybe you're someone who likes using skins on your phone. And I always like to say that cases like this are kind of like a reusable skin. You could take it off and reuse it whenever you want. With the regular skin, you can't really reuse that. You peel it off and you throw it in the trash. You can't really get it on there perfectly again. But this is more like a reusable skin. Every time you want to use it, you use it. Every time you want to take it off, you take it off and then reuse it again whenever you want. And not only that, it'll give you a bit more protection than an actual skin would, because it is a hard shell. So it should protect your device a little bit better from, light falls and scratches as well. And like I said, it's actually giving those cameras protection in the back as well. But this is the Thinborne Aramid fiber case. Like I said, it's going to be for people that don't really like cases on your phone. But hey, we got the thinnest case here for you to give you that minimum protection, but still adding some style to your Galaxy S24 Ultra here. I know I'm definitely going to be using this whenever I don't want, a little extra bulk added to my device. If I feel I don't need too much protection that day, I'm definitely going with this case right here, the Thinborne Aramid fiber case. And if you do find yourself interested, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. In case you do find yourself interested, go pick one up for yourself. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.